In my 20 years as a merchant, I bought a lot of denim, and it was one of my toughest categories to sell. Once the customer finds her fit, it's rare that she comes back the next year or the year after. Welcome to the Chief Merchant Minute, and this episode is called A Perfect Fit. After reviewing the latest earnings from Levi's, here's what I heard on the call. DTC is now 51% of their channel revenue. AUR up, markdowns minimal, and excess inventories under control. Leadership credited their in-store execution and presentation as a revenue driver. Their head-to-toe strategy and premiumization of the brand is working. So here's what I saw in the store. Now I know it's sales season and there's a lot of markdowns, but there seemed to be a real balance of full price alongside promos. Marketing and merchandising are clearly talking, so when I looked at signage, when I looked at different types of capsule collections, you could see there was this connection between merchandising and marketing. Product, features, benefits, all very clear. Multiple price points, clearly marked, organized by fit, feature, and organized by size. And the visual merchandising was really tidy. It was full of delight, and there was storytelling throughout the store, from soccer to summer to pride. Let's talk about that Pride collection for a second. The Pride collection was clearly marked. It had its own signage, and the models represented in the marketing were part of the community. Beautiful touches throughout. They also had beautiful hang tags for that particular product range. The head-to-toe strategy is exactly what a brand like Levi's should be doing. Complementary pieces to wear with the hero product. Denim on denim, jackets, shirts, dresses. The goal here is the outfit. The premium assortment, Blue Tab, looks really elevated. The Japanese hand feel, it was really soft, luxe trims throughout, design details. Even the leather tab was navy embossed. Every detail, very impressive. There were also lots of outfitting options. Head to toe in this price point was beautiful, but really bottom heavy. Here's what I predict from a merchandising perspective for Levi's. Wholesale growth. DTC at 51% means the other half is ready to scale. With AUR up and limited number of markdowns, Levi's has an enticing offer for the right retail partner. Cultural speed. The Nobody's Gonna Know tee and the Pride capsule, Levi's is clearly quick to capture that cultural moment. And this only works if marketing and merchandising stay connected, as well as the supply chain stays flexible. Head-to-toe expansion into tops is a great move. Singh told Yahoo they'll keep expanding on color. Now here, I'd be careful of the overdevelopment of materials since they are leaning into more color. We're looking at a lot more development. Now the premium bet. The Blue Tab customer is less price sensitive and worth chasing. But here we need to really watch out for broken sizing. When I bought denim for Caban, I carried an opening price point like Levi's, all the way to mid-range like Rock & Republic, Seven, Citizens, and a few ultra-premium names. I had to buy the full size run, even though I knew I would only sell size 26 and size 28. The rest would be marked down. Now, denim is really unforgiving to the open to buy. You have limited margin, and you have to buy all the sizes, so you're always left with excess inventory. If Levi's leans hard into premium without size discipline, the markdown risk is going to show up really fast. And this is what can devalue this elevated assortment. All in all, I'd say Levi's is pulling the right levers. Merchandising and marketing working closely together, outfitting across price points, giving the customer the perfect fit across categories.